No!
Well, familiar situation? Don't worry, we're going to tell you how to make more ornaments, and some of them won't even break if your cat decides to knock down the tree again. This is Virmer. Let's begin. First idea, a Christmas ball ornament. You'll need plywood, a glass ball, filler like glitter or artificial snow, and glue. We are using a 4mm birch plywood. The layout consists of 3 parts, 2 pieces of the tree that we'll connect with special cuts, and a base. Settings are adjusted individually, and you can see ours on the screen. Today, we are working on the powerful Wattsan 1610 LT machine. Its large working area is convenient for working with big plywood sheets, saving us the task of cutting material. In the Christmas rush, every second counts.
Jesus, kid.
The area is equipped with anodized blades to eliminate laser beam rebounds, ensuring that the material's backside stays clean. No black spots on the toys. Cut, assemble, glue, and it's done. Here's the beauty we've created. Let's hang it on the tree and move on to the second decoration. For this one, you only need 4mm plywood and a ribbon to hang it on the tree. We've made several layouts. The charm of these toys is the 3-dimensional image achieved through multiple layers. Don't forget to increase the air assist for a clean cut. If you want to learn more about cutting plywood, watch the detailed breakdown in the recommended video. Let's assemble our toys layer by layer and glue them together. You can gather the whole family and paint each layer separately. Kids will surely love it. Here we go. The second ornament goes on the tree. Oops, sorry, we got carried away. And the third decoration is the simplest one. All you need is wooden blanks and ribbons. Wooden slices look very aesthetic, but empty. Engraving on the surface will be a great addition. You can choose different patterns, trees, snowflakes, or whatever your heart desires. Wooden slices usually have quite a considerable thickness, so you'll need to adjust the focal length precisely. Wattsan 1610 LT has a chain mechanism for lifting the table, making it easy to adjust the height with buttons. Let's start engraving. Look at the result. What a great finishing touch for our Christmas tree. These decorations can be both a great gift and a profitable business. And most importantly, anyone can make them. We've put a link to the layouts in the description. Make toys, share the results on social media, and tag us. Subscribe to our channel and give us a like. This was the Virmer team, wishing you a Merry Christmas.